How to turn off Facebook suggested for you. So unfortunately, you cannot stop suggested for you posts from appearing in your feed. But what you can do is to stop specific types of posts from showing up or blog posts from specific sites that you don't want to see. So all you have to do is wait until you see a suggested for you post that you don't like in your feed. Then in the top right hand corner of the post, click the three dots icon. So if you want to stop seeing posts similar to this suggested post, all you have to do is click Hide Post. But if you want to temporarily stop seeing posts from the specific account that the post is from, then all you have to do is tap this option, Snooze and the account name for 30 days. But if you think that there is a reason why the post is offensive or upsetting, then you can tap on Report Post to register your concerns. And so that is how you turn off Facebook suggested for you. Thank you and have a great day.